So let's go ahead and download JDK. And to download JDK, go to Google and type JDK download, and then first link. This is an Oracle website, and in this website we have Java SE, and this stands for Java Standard Edition Download. And we can see that we have Java SE 16, which is the latest release of Java. Let's look for a Java that has a long-term support. As I told you, companies do really like downloading Java that has a long-term support, and the Java that has a long-term support is Java Standard Edition 11. Okay, so this is the Java version that we will download. So under Oracle JDK, I want you to click on JDK download, and once you click there, we have Java SE Development Kit 11 download. So this is what we will download. Now let's scroll down, and over here we have these softwares is licensed under the Oracle Technology Network Agreement for Oracle Java SE, and we have the product name, we have the file size, and also we have the downloads. Now, according to the operating system that you are using, whether you're using Linux, Mac, or Windows, you need to download JDK according to the operating system that you're using. And I am using Windows 64 installer, so this is the JDK that I will download. So I'm gonna click on download JDK. I'm gonna tick on this box and I'm gonna click on download. So in this part over here, you can create an account with Oracle. If you have an existing account, you can add your username and password, then click on sign in, and then it will start downloading automatically. And as you can see, I have my username and password. I'm just gonna click on sign in, and the download will start automatically. And double click on it for installation. So click on next. It's a these are very easy steps that you can follow along, and you can be able to install this JDK. So click on next too, and as you can see, the Java version 11 is being installed in your computer. So give it some few seconds, and as you can see, we have successfully installed Java Development Kit. That's it for now. Join me on my next video.